All right, so this is the question. Okay, the question reads, solve the equation. So how do we handle such equation? Well, this is our solution. So we'll simply start with taking this part to the other side, right? Yeah, in this case, this side will remain with square root of 2x minus 1, okay, being equal to, when these things come to this side, it will be positive, right? Yeah, so we'll have x plus 3, just like that. Then what's next? Well, let's get rid of the square roots, okay, by simply raising both sides to the power 2, right? So this and this cancels out, therefore we'll have 2x minus 1 being equal to, this cancels out with that one. In that case, we'll have x plus 3. Well, what's next? What's next? It's about grouping the right terms. So we'll have 2x minus x is equal to 3 plus 1. Therefore, x is equal to 4. X is equal to 4. Okay, but we need to check out for our domains. Okay, we need to check the domain for this part and for this part for us to conclude whether x is really equal to 4 or what. Okay, so we have two parts here. Okay, what are we checking? We are checking the domains. Okay, we are checking the domains. So let's check for the domains. So for this part, we'll get 2x minus 1 equated to 0. Therefore, have 2x being equal to 1 over 2 over 2. Our x will be equal to 1 over 2. Okay, so when we get 1 over 2 and plug it here, okay, this side it will give us a 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Square root of 0 to be 1. That's 0, right? Yeah. So in this case, for this one, it is valid. It will not give us a math error. Math error will only appear when we have a negative in this inside the square root. In this case, the domain will be equal to, okay, 1 over 2 all the way up to positive infinity. All the way up to positive infinity. Why is it so? It's because when you get any number which is less than 1 over 2, this thing will not be valid. It will give you a math error. Okay, well, what about for this part? For this part, we do the same. We get x plus 3 equated to 0. Therefore, our x will be equal to negative 3. Okay, what is our domain in this case? Well, our domain in this case will start with negative 3 all the way up to positive infinity. Why? We want to avoid any negative number. We want to avoid having a negative number inside here. Okay, for example, when we get any number which is less than negative 3, we'll get a negative number, okay, which will give us a math error. For example, we know that negative 4 is less than negative 3. So when we get negative 4 and plug it there, it will give us negative 1 inside, right? Yeah. Square root of negative 1, we don't know. So we want to avoid that, right? So our x being equal to 4 makes sense. Why? Because our domain for this part is between half, which is 1 over 2, all the way up to infinity. Okay, and between these two values, we have our x. And between negative 3 and positive infinity, we still have our x. Therefore, our answer becomes x is equal to 4.